Hello, friends. A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Mani Satani. I'm going to be present the fundamental aspect of Sira. First of all, what is the Vyutpatti of Sira? Sira word is derived from Sinoniti Sich Bandhane plus the Dukha Dhatu, that is derived from Sabda Kalpadruma. And the meaning of the Sinoniti Sich Bandhane plus the Dukha, that is any tubular vessels of the body that can consider as Sira. Now Nirukti. What is Nirukti? Nirukti is a Saranat Sira. Saranat Desantargamanat. That slok is taken from Charak Samhita Sutrastan 30 chapter 12 number slok. The meaning of the Saranat Sira is a structure where some material is moving or the flowing from one place to another place. Now the common function of the Sira. What is a common function of the Sira are the body is nourished like a garden by water carrying and like filled by irrigation channels and also benefited with the activities such as ankuchana, that is a contraction, and prasarana, that is extension, that is now the swarup of the avata avatadi vaha shira. So Sira which are Avatvahi, that is Arun Varna, that is almost reddish black in color and filled with Vata. Pittavaha Sira are Nilavarna, it is blue in color and palm. Kapvahi Shira, that is Gauravana, that is white in color and little cold. And last is a Raktavahi Shira, it is Rohini Varna in red in color and are neither very hot nor very cold. Now, the specific function of the sira according to dosha. First of all, there are four types of sira: vatvahi, pittvahi, kapvahi, and raktvahi. Among them, vatvahi sira are क्रियाणाम् अप्रतिघातम् अमोहं बुद्धिकर्मणां करोत्यन्यानुगुणांश्चापि स्वाहा शिरः पवनश्चरण. According to Sushrut Samhita in the Saristan 7th chapter, he mentioned that no disturbance in physiological functions and confusion in mental function, along with the other qualities, are produced by the normal Vayu moving in its own siras. Now, the Pitta Vahishira, Bhraji Ushratam Annaruchi, Agnidiptam Arogatam, Sansapata Swaha Shiraha, Pittam Kuryascharan Kuranaschapi. Pittavahi Shira are among its own Shira produces Bhraji Ushratam, that is brilliance, and Anna Aruchi, matlab relish in food, and Agni Dipta, stimulation of the digestive fire, and Arogata, that is freedom from the dishes. Third is a Kapvahi Shira. Normal cough moving in its own cirrus produces the uneasiness in the body parts, firmness in joints, strength, and enthusiasm along with the other qualities. That is, sneham angeshu sandhinam, sterya balam udinatam, karotu anyana gunasyapi balasya swa sirascharam. Third is the Raktavahi Shira. Dhatunam Puranam Varna Sparshagnanam Achanchayam. Swaha Shirahas Raktcharatak Kuryaschana Gunanapi. According to Sushru Samhita Saristan 7th chapter, he mentioned that a normal Rakta moving its own Shira produces the Rakta Purana, that is replacing the Dhatus, and a Varna, that is complexion, and Sparshagrahana, sensation of touch. These all are the normal functions of all the Vatavaha, Pittavaha, Kapvaha, and Raktavahi Shira. Now, what is Amurstan of the Shira? There are total numbers of 40 Shiras. Among them, 10 is Vatvahi, 10 is Pittvahi, 10 is Kapvahi, and 10 is Raktavahi. ठीक है. Now the total number of Sira, there are 700 Sira in our. Among them, as I told you earlier, four types Sira, Vataha, Pitvaha, Kapha and Raktvara, each having the 10, so that is total number is 40. Now, distribution of the Sira. In the Shakha, there are 400 Sira. So, in each limb, there is 100 Sira. Huh? Among them, 25 is Vataha, 25 is Pittvaha, 25 is Kapvaha, and 25 is Raktvaha. In the coaster, there is 136 Sira. Again, is divided into Vataha, Pittvaha, Kapvaha, and Raktvaha. As well in a Sirogriva, that is 164. So total number is 700 Sira. So here you can see this in the Sakhagat Sira there is 400 total number. So in each limb there is 100 Sira, among them Vatva, Pitva, and Kapha and Raktva. That is 25 each. Now in the Akostagat Sira, that is 132 in total number, as well as in 164 in Udvajadragat Sira. Acharya has also mentioned that some of them Vedya and Avedya Sira. So first of all, let me clear that what is Vedya Sira and what is Avedya Sira. Acharya Susrut especially mentioned that there are 700 Sira out of 602, that is Vedya Sira, and 98, that is Avedya Sira. So what is Avedya Sira? So Sira that should be not punctured during Rakta Moksha or any other procedure of the surgical procedure. So these are called Avedya Sira that should be prevented for especially by the surgeon for to prevent the further extraordinary complexion of our body. And among them 602 as Avedya Sira that should be can puncture or during any surgical procedure as well as in the Rakta motion procedure too. Now, what is the importance of the Sira? Actually, a Sira originating from the Nabi and spread and prevent all around in the body as branches of stream, etc. So, from the lotus stalk to spread in the water. It seems like that from root to all over the branches of the tree has spread the water and extra materials. So, like that in our body too, from the nabi all over the body there are Vatvaha, Pittvaha, Kapha and Raktvara Sira are spread. So that is the importance for us. All the liquid material, dhatu, etc. will spread all over the body through our Shira. Now as we know, nabhista pranina pranaha, prana nabhir upashrita, sirabhir avuta nabhishakram or nabhiriva teke. According to Susu Samhita in the Savista, he mentioned that a prana of prani, that is human being, it will stay Ashrastan of the prana is in Nabi. He also mentioned an example like as wheel is bounded by iron rods, same like Nabi is bounded by the various siras. Thank you so much, guys.